Today we are doing a workshop for parents on the California School Dashboard. It's an overview of what this tool is, the information it provides, and how it can be helpful for parents in our school district.
But at these meetings you get the one-on-one opportunity that you need so you feel comfortable asking whatever questions you need, so it's very beneficial to get here.
So the first key piece of this workshop is demystifying, going online, finding the web page, and how to navigate the tool. We want to make sure everyone knows that the dashboard has a translation feature, and if they don't have access to a laptop or a PC, the dashboard is usable on a mobile device as well.
I think it just makes me more confident in using it. Maybe before, I wouldn't even would have tried, but now I'm motivated now to try to use it and also to maybe help other students and parents at my daughter's school.
This California School Dashboard is important because it is an easy to understand way for parents in our community to see the state's ratings for our district and for individual schools.
The goal of this dashboard is to narrow the gap between those students that are low income, that are homeless, that are English, that are first learners. So as a parent, I find it very refreshing.
Right now, Sacramento City Unified has some challenges reported on our dashboard, and with the help of our community, we will have feedback so that we can really focus our resources and make sure that every student can be successful, and that as a district, we can show growth on this state tool as well.
It's just another opportunity to gain information about our schools. As parents, we need to know what's going on at our schools and our district to give them feedback about what we need as parents. Everything's beneficial.
Well, this workshop can be offered at any school site at the convenience of parents during the day, in the evening. We're also happy to partner with organizers in our community for affinity groups that may want to learn more about the dashboard.